Good day, everyone. In this video, we will build a simple mode app. The goal is simple. The goal is to learn how an app makes decision using if and else. Welcome to Flourish Road. In today's video, we are building a very simple app. When I tap this button, the mood changes from happy to sad to angry. Now, let's see how the app decide what to do. If a condition is true, the app runs one action. Otherwise, it runs another action. Because sometimes app needs to choose between options. So to do that, we will use if and else. So let's jump right into the building. So let's start a new project. For this case, I would like to name my app my underscore mode. You can, as always, you can name your app whatever you want to name it. But for me, I will name it. So the design is simple. We only need a vertical arrangement, a label to show the mood, and a button to change it. So first things first, we have the vertical arrangement. First things first. Then the button and what? The label also. Those are the three things we need. We are done with that. Now just to like design it a little bit. Mind you, this is not a design class, so I'll rush this process. You can design it however you want to design your app. But for me, I will do a quick design for my app. Then for the vertical arrangement, I'll make it. So we are done with our design. Now let's move to the logic. So welcome to the logic phase. So first things first, we know what our app is doing. Now, we only have two conditions. No, we have three conditions. The first one is whenever we press the button and it's happy, it has to change it to sad. It will change the text and the background color. Then we press it again. We press it when it's sad. It will change to angry and it will change the background color. And when we press it again, after it was angry, it will change it to what? Happy back. So that's what we want our app to do. So first things first, we come to our button. So when button one dot click do, now this block of code only runs when our button is being clicked. That's every time it will be running. So first things first, the first condition, that's if it's happy, it should change the label text to sad and the background color. So we'll come to control, then we'll pick the if, then insert it. Then we'll come to logic. So this will actually carry our condition. We'll now come to label, which will carry our text. Now we'll come to text. Then we'll come here. Now happy. Sorry. Now, what does this do? What does this say? This block of code is just saying once the label states happy, now it will change when you press the button. It should change it to what? Sad. So we come to our label. Then we come to set label text to. Set label text to. Then we come to our text. Now you should set it to what? Sad. Now it will, which we now need to change the background color too. So we'll come to vertical arrangement. We'll come to screen. I will come to set background color. So we'll come to set background color to. So what color? You can pick any other color you want, but for me, I'll be setting my background color to blue. You can pick any color you want. Setting my background color to blue. Now we are done with our first condition. Now we still have 2 more conditions to go. Now we'll come here and drag else if and else. So for the else if, let's just duplicate this. We'll duplicate this. Let's come here and duplicate this. I have to duplicate this also. Now we'll now have to change this. I have to change this. Now, in this case, this will be sad. So once this is sad, change it to what? Angry. And you should change the background color to what? Red. Now for the last condition, we come here, we duplicate this also. I'm sorry, we duplicate this. Now we'll explain this why I'm only duplicating these 2, not the first one. So we'll take it here. And here. So once the text is angry, you should change it back to what's happy. And the background color to what's yellow. Now, what does this block of code tells us? Now, the first condition is once the text is happy and you click the button, the label text will have to change to sad and the background color will change to blue. Then the second condition, once the label text says sad and you click the button, the label text will change to angry and the background color will change to red. Then the last condition, which is else, if any of these 2 conditions is not met, this is like our default setting. This last statement, this last block of code is our default setting. So if any of this condition is not met, our text should be what? Happy, and our color should be what? Yellow. And that's it. We just built our very own app. So I want you to pause the video, tap the button several times, watch the mood change. If you like, you can try changing the color. If you like, you can try changing the text. And once you're done, in the comment section, click prem, type done. So today we learn how an app makes decision using if and else. The app checks a condition and chooses what to do. And we've come to the end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you turn your notification button so that you can be the first to see the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.